not able to join the team the last time. You were injured, you're coming off an injury. How are you feeling now and what made this the right time para makabalik ka na sa Gilas?
Well, of course, truly blessed and honored again na makasama sa Gilas, no? Truly privileged na mapaglaro para sa bayan. And we know that everyone na nagkakaroon ng opportunity dito. As long as I'm healthy, no, 100%, no, I always say yes para sa bayan.
Nakagain ng isang game pa lang yung since yung injury mo, pero since nung Meralco game, kumusta na yung ano mo? Yung
For me, a lot better right now, no. Mas mahaba yung preparation, mas mahaba na yung napapractice ko. And malaking bagay yun na nakapaglaro ako ng first game kasi na-feel ko yung rhythm ng during game. So iba kasi yung pag-game tapos practice lang. So malaking bagay for me and a lot healthier right now than before.
how about nung tune-up against yung Korean team tsaka yung kanina yata tune-up kayo, so kumusta din yun?
Okay naman, 100% better naman. So wala namang sumasakit and I'm ready to go. I think everyone sa amin, we're ready na.
Scotty. Ayun nga kasi medyo may si Justin ata likely out for this window. Being his teammate din sa Ginebra, anong tingin mo doon sa absence ni JB for this window and paano nyo kaya mapupunan yun, yung absence?
Like everyone was saying, mahirap i-fill yung spot ni Justin, just one guy. We need to step up each and every one sa amin, no? It's a collective effort and a team effort para sa amin. We all know talagang malaking bagay si Justin, but we need to face the reality right now na wala siya ngayon. So, we need to step up as a team.